going to cover system data. If you need to know what current software version, horsepower rating, or any information that's stored in your ECU, system data is where that's stored. So you simply click system data, ECU data, and this is where you're going to find all of that information is through here. So as you can see, sometimes there can be a lot of information. So here's your current ECU time, your software version, and all the other information that they store. Once you're finished, check mark, backs you right out, and you're back to the beginning.